One Roman military victory wasn't just a battle, it was a wound that the British Isles never recovered from.
Yeah, a lobotomy of a culture. They were deliberately destroying an entire civilization's mind.
So who were the Druids? Well, they were basically living libraries, the memory of their entire people. Thousands of years of wisdom, from law to medicine, all held entirely within their minds.
So when the Romans came, that knowledge just vanished, gone, in a single afternoon.
We'll never know their poems, their beliefs. All we have are biased accounts from their executioners. And after the battle, when the smoke finally cleared, there was only ash and silence. The sounds of the slaughter gave way to nothing but the wind blowing across the sea. You see, this wasn't just about killing people. It was about erasing an entire worldview. And the bitter irony of what happened next is just incredible. What followed the war was this peace, which in many ways was even more destructive. Rome didn't just conquer, it replaced. Sacred groves became Roman temples. Celtic nobles became Roman citizens. And this really gets to the heart of it, a fundamental clash, connection versus conquest. Let's face it, we live in Rome's world, our cities, our laws, even how we think. But echoes still remain. The Romans cut down the trees, but they couldn't kill all the roots. And that's the real warning here. Civilizations are fragile. Knowledge can be lost forever. So I'll ask you, what wisdom is lost when a culture is silenced? Let us know, and please like, comment, subscribe, and follow us.